We're filming the whole thing. Got a little onboard camera here. I can see everybody here on the monitor. You guys reach up, give me your best Aloha Shaka that you got in there. Okay, that's pretty good, actually, not too bad. This aircraft has microphones in it, so if you want to ask questions or talk to each other, feel free. Just pick it up off the post there, straight up. The slotted part is the front. You want to key the mic, put that as close to your mouth as you can get, talk in a nice loud voice. When you're done, let her go. If you just get really chatty and talk a lot and everything, I'll just turn the switch off up here. I wouldn't do that. Maybe, I don't know. Depends, we'll see.
Cliff at Eagle, Blue 32. Airman, use caution for birds in the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact, you have India. Tower Mission India, 2253 Zulu, wind 03010, visibility 10, ceiling 1,700 broken, 2,300.
Louis Tower, Sunshine 14, harbor departure with India.
1344, Louis Tower, turn right heading 080, runway 3, clear for takeoff.
003, clear for takeoff, Hawaiian 344.
Sunshine 14, Louis Tower, make a left downwind departure south of runway 3, south pad, clear for takeoff.
Okay, left downwind south of 3, on the go, 14. Okay, pre-takeoff check, good. Everything in the green, here we go.